step. And now, just for clarification, review of everything. Maybe I was a bit too quick, so I'm just going to review everything so I show you more clearly. So the first step was the IS curve. So what we do here is that we have, so the IS curve is y equals c plus I plus g. So we just add up whatever c is over there, plus whatever I is over there, plus whatever g is over there. We added up everything. That's it. Then our second step is getting rid of YD, which is disposable income, and disposable income is the income of everyone minus the taxes everyone pays. So disposable income is the money people have left after they pay their taxes. So everyone's income is Y, everyone's taxes are T. Disposable income, the money everyone has left after they paid their taxes, is the income minus the taxes, Y minus T. So we replaced YD with Y minus T. But we already have T, which is over there, 200. So we can replace Y minus T with Y minus 200. Then we get rid of the parentheses. So we multiply 0.25 times Y and 0.25 times minus 200, and we get this. But 0.25 Y minus 50, because 0.25 times minus 200 is minus 50. And then we would just isolate I, which is basically we take I, which is here, and we bring it to the left side. It becomes positive 1000I. Then we take the Y, it goes to the right, it becomes minus Y, and then the 1000 goes dividing on the other side of the equation, and everything on the top we just simplify it, and it becomes this. And this is the interest rate of the IS curve. Now for the LM curve, it's a lot easier. We just go here and we take money supply and money demand and we equal it. So 1600 equals 2y minus 8000I. So that's what we have here. And now we just isolate I, and that is again just very basic algebra. 2y goes to the left, minus 8000. So 2y goes to the left, that's what we have here, and then minus 8000 goes to the left again, it's multiplying, so it goes dividing. So that is our interest rate of the LM curve, and our second step is over. For our third step, we equal the interest rate we got in the IS curve and the interest rate we got in the LM curve. We equal these fractions just like that, and now we want to get y. And to get y, so the problem is the bottom part of the fraction is not the same, so we cannot do math with this. So we want the bottom part of this fraction to be minus 8000, just like here. So I already showed you how to do this. So you take minus 8000, divide it over 1000, and then the result, which is minus 8, you multiply it times this, you multiply it times this, and that is the new top side of this fraction. The bottom side is minus 8000, just like here. And that is our new fraction. So this one is the same as here, because this one we didn't change it. The one we changed was the left one, minus 8000, and then on the top, so we just did exactly what I just said. So that's the result. 4y minus 4400. And now we can already get rid of the bottom part of the fraction, and we have only the top part of the fraction. So 4y minus 4400 equals 1600 minus 2y. We do this, and then we just isolate y. Again, basic algebra. 2y goes to the right, to the left as positive, so 6y minus 4400 goes to the right as positive, so 6000, and then we just divide 6000 over 6, that is 1000. That is our equilibrium output. So third step is finished, and last step is we take the equilibrium output and we replace it in the interest rate fraction of either the IS curve or the LM curve. It doesn't matter, because since we equaled them here, they are both worth the same. If we put y here or we put y here, it's gonna have the same result. So we just pick whatever fraction we want. I take this one. So we take y, 1000 is y, so 1000 goes here. There it is. And the result of the fraction is 0.05. That is our interest rate. So this is the interest rate. This is the equilibrium output. Our exercise is over. And that is how you solve an IS-LM model exercise. So I know it's complicated. I think if you watch this video over and over, or if you pause it every time you have a doubt and then you watch this small bit you don't understand again, I think it will get easier over time. So that's it. That's how you solve it. I hope it was useful for you, and otherwise just means I'm a bad teacher. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.